Go.
Hello, namaste सबैजनालाई. This is Sandy Travel Vlogsमा सबैजनालाई स्वागत छ. So today I am at Creator Mela. This is organized by the US Embassy. So I would like to invite my friends, families, and the followers who are coming. And please visit. Thank you so much.
आज म आएको Creator Mela. Here it is Creator Mela. So being honored to participate in this program. So this is the setup. Right, floor सबै ठाउँमा राखिएको. So let's go towards the 4th floor. Event को timings रहेको छ 11:20. So I'm on time. Let's go, guys. Setup. Guys, we are at Creator Mela.
US Embassy Nepal's Creators Mela 2026 last day. Are we ready? So thank you so much. I'm your host Ronishma Shrestha. I'm an MC and I also do some contents, and I'm also here not just to speak but to listen, because मलाई पनि त्यो टिप्सहरु, मलाई पनि त्यो कन्सिस्टेन्ट कसरी हुने भनेर अझ पनि चाहिएको छ.
शिवम एकछिन कहाँ महादेव आउनु भएको हो र शिवम बजाउनुलाई? खै ब्रह्माको भजन बजाउनुहोस् त एकचोटि. ठिक छ, अलि लेट भयो जस्तो, ठिकै छ, नो वरिज. वाह, माई ब्रान्ड न्यू क्रिएसन. वाह 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 वाह, यतिको क्रिएटिभ हुन त पापै लाग्छ क्या हो मलाई.
तपाईहरुलाई म नयाँ नयाँ गसिप सुनाउँछु. कुन भगवानको कुन चाहिँ अप्सरासँग चक्कर चलिरहेको छ सबै सुनाउँछु प्रभु. वाव, ऑडियन्स तपाईहरु पनि सबैजना एकचोटि हाई भनिदिनुस् त. एकछिन, नर्कवासी स्वर्गमा नर्कवासी. हेलो यमराज, त्यहाँबाट एकजना स्वर्ग नर्कवासी यहाँ स्वर्गमा फुत्केर आइपुगे जस्तो छ. तुरुन्तै दुईजना दूतहरूलाई पठाइदिइहाल्नु त, तुरुन्तै. म हेरिरहेको छु. नारायण
सरस्वती आउनुहोस् त, हेर्नुहोस् मेरो ब्रान्ड न्यू क्रिएसन कस्तो छ त.
यो त क्रिएसन कम कन्ट्रोल सी कन्ट्रोल भी कपी पेस्ट जस्तो छ.
त्यही त संसारलाई हेर्नुहोस् देवी, सबैले अहिले त्यही त गर्दैछन्. ल हेर्नुहोस् ट्रेनको कमाल, सबैजनाले इन्जोय गरे. तपाईँहरू पनि नाच्नु भयो. ट्रेन फलो गर्यो भने गाइस इन्गेजमेन्ट बढ्छ, सोसियल मिडियामा फलोवर्स बढ्छ.
Thank you so much, Elena. You look so beautiful, and I'm so excited to chat with you. जहिले पनि अब गफ त हामी गरिराखेकै हो, तर आज चाहिँ on the stage we're going to have a long conversation. And next up, well, he is a creative director, fashion entrepreneur, and lifestyle content creator, recognized for his redefined aesthetic and strong creative vision. यस्तो एस्थेटिक हुनुहुन्छ आइएम स्योर पोस्टहरू देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ कहाँ गएर खिच्नु भएको यो भनेर हुन्छ तर एउटा यस्तो राम्ररी हुन्छ नि पाटनको गली हाम्रो यति ब्युटिफुल असमको गलीहरूलाई यति राम्ररी उहाँले डिपेक्ट गर्नुहुन्छ एन्ड ही अल्सो सर्भ एज अ जज एट ग्लोबल मेन्स pageant in Thailand, marking his rising recognition in the fashion industry. He is also the co-founder of the fashion label Sivangi X Rehan, where he merges contemporary design with storytelling-driven fashion. Beyond his creative and entrepreneurial pursuits, Rehan is a Gen Hope ambassador for Save the Children, advocating for social impact and youth-focused initiatives. Please welcome Rehan Shrestha, our second panelist for this topic. Hello Rehan, looking lovely. And last but not the least, this creator will make you drool. उहाँको पोस्ट चाहिँ 1 बजेपछि हेर्दै नहेर्नु है. Just kidding, we need to है. भोक लागिरहेको बेला उहाँको कन्टेन्ट हेर्न थालेपछि त राति बेडबाट तपाईँ किचन जानु नै हुन्छ कहिले कहाँ ट्राभल गरिराख्नु भएको हुन्छ कहिले कहाँ but something about this creator is that she is so consistent. She has given us so many tips. कता जाने खाना मिठो भएन भने चित्त दुख्छ नि त सो त्यही नै कुरा उहाँले वर्षौँदेखि हामीलाई सिकाइराख्नु भएको छ and her contents are top notch. So please welcome Love Eat Repeat and Swagsha Bhandari will be representing this account. So hello, how have you been? Esto excited छु म यो कुराहरु गर्नको लागि because this topic is one of the most asked. सुरु त गरियो त्यति बेला कन्टेन्ट क्रिएटर पनि बनिन्छ हामीले भ्युजहरु पनि आउन थाल्छ तर एउटा एकदमै आउने प्रश्न चाहिँ where do you personally draw the line between inspired and copied? I'm getting straight into the question. Maybe Rehan, you can start.
Firstly, Ronishma, I must say, you're looking like Princess Jasmine today. Very, very beautiful.
Thank you. हजुर पनि Aladdin जस्तै देखिरहेको छ है. So I think we should click a picture and then
Yeah.
You look really
I'll take
nice.
it. So, back to the question. I feel like inspiration, that's it. Initially, it is looking at someone's essence and then being...
So this is the place of Creative Mela organized by US Embassy. So I'm here now. The event is going very good. So lots of crowds. So this is the corridor area. There is also a coffee facilities, cookies and coffee facilities for the people. Yeah, definitely.
Lunch.
And yes, this is me, and I'm here at the Creative Content Mela, organized by US Embassy.
Many concerts, so many corporates. He also has a podcast that I'm sure you have seen on air with Sanjay Silval Gupta. Please welcome Sanjay Silval Gupta on the stage. Welcome Sanjay Bhai. And next up, this panel that we have is so nice है सबैजनाको म बिग फ्यान हो इभाना दी सञ्जय दाई तारिफ गर्दा गर्दा आज म यही थाक्ने भए यही टाइम लाग्छ जस्तो आधी यही मैले बोल्छु जस्तो लागिरहेछ Well, she is Miss Nepal World 2016. मैले पहिला पनि भनेको थिएँ उहाँलाई देख्न साथ यो के म्युजिक बज्न थाल्छ be it a guy, be it a girl because she is so beautiful inside out. She's also an interior designer, a lifestyle content creator. She earned title like Miss Photogenic and represented Nepal at Miss World and she has been in her content game, she has been top notch in that as well. Please welcome Asmi Shrestha on the stage. Thank you so much, Ashmiri. Please have a seat. हाम्रो अघिको सेसनमा हामी कति कुरा गरिरहेको थियौँ VMAG-को हङ्गर हन्टको कुराहरू गरिरहेको थियौँ कतिजनालाई इन्स्पायर गर्नुभएको थियो फुड ब्लगर्सहरूलाई एन्ड being inspired that by that person, people started posting on Instagram. अहिले food bloggers बन्ने कारणले मलाई उहाँ जस्तो लाग्छ and she has this personality and that face that can light up any room. She is the founder and CEO of RGB Productions and works as a television presenter and producer. Please welcome Miss Oshin Sitola on the stage. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Image versus Inner World. Who are you really?
The Image versus Inner World को our three lovely panelists को spotlight their life and understanding the gap between the perception and truth between image and inner world. We will be talking on that, and the interesting part I'd like to start with is one of the most visible people in this world carry the most invisible weight that we're going to talk today about with all three of them. And I believe यो नेपालीमा यही कुरा भन्नु पर्दाखेरि just to kickstart with it, छवि हामी बाहिर संसारलाई देखाउँछौँ तर भित्री संसारमा हामी बाँच्छौँ र बस्नुपर्ने हुन्छ त्यो भएर आज हामी तीनटै
that vision to venture म सबैजनालाई नमस्कार भन्न चाहन्छु र धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद पनि आइदिनु भएको छ सबैलाई thank you very much for that I would before answering that question I'd request the entire audience to please put your hands together for Oshin as well as Ashmi and Ivana जब मलाई यो प्यानलको बारेमा भनियो म यति हर्षित थिएँ यति खुसी थिएँ कि I've known Oshin for almost a long time a decade, all right, more than decades. Same with Ashmi as well. I've known her for such a long time. The memory is still very alive. Ivana, I've known her since she was Miss Nepal.
Appreciate it. I love this panel here, everybody. And Sanjay Dai is such a stud. We've known each other for a very long time. And Ashmi has been doing what she's been doing for a very long time. And we've seen her grow and glow. And I'm actually very excited to be here today. Suruma चाहिँ I just want to scan the audience a little bit. अलिकति audience scan
गरेको थिएँ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई कतिजनाले सोध्नुहुन्थ्यो अस्मी कहाँ हरायो आफ्टर मिस नेपाल भनेर किनभने मिस नेपाल पछि त यो गरौँ त्यो गरौँ हुन्छ सबैजनालाई होइन खासमा त त्यसपछि झन् इमर्ज हुनुपर्ने फेज सोध्छ तर मेरो लागि ठ्याक्क उल्टो भएको थियो तर मलाई लाग्छ त्यो पोइन्टलाई चाहिँ मैले एकदम राम्ररी युटिलाइज गरेर त्यसलाई मेरो लाइफको टर्निङ पोइन्ट बनाएँ त्यो बेला जति पनि मलाई एउटा इन्सिक्योरिटी कम्प्यारिजन फिल भएको थियो इन्डस्ट्रीमा ब्युटी प्याजेन्ट इन्डस्ट्री
he has documented Nepali arts and heritage with depth and sensitivity. His work focuses on community, identity, and stories that often go unheard. I've been following him since years, and he also has been a role model in my journey. Please welcome Lex Limbu on the stage. Hello, Lex, please have a seat. And now I would like to call one of Nepal's most influential creative figures. She has built a career that spans acting, directing, producing, and writing. Rising to fame after winning Miss Teen Nepal and starring in major films like Chakka Panja, Joli, she bridges mainstream cinema and digital influence. With over 2 million followers, she represents modern creative leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, you know who she is. Please welcome Priyanka Karki. So this is behind every post, the strategy you don't see. Let's hear it from the best. Over to you, Lex.
Thank you so much, Ronishma, and of course, hello creators, मेरा सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? I think हाम्रो प्रियङ्का कार्कीजीको लागि अझै नोइज चाहिन्छ. तपाईहरु सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? Great. So I know we're running very much on time. आज त हामी 5 मिनेट अगाडि पनि रन गरिरहेको
A very, very, very long time, and I'm eternally blessed and grateful and honored. Thank you so much for all the love. र आज हामी digital footprint को कुरा गरिरहेछौँ, and Lexले सोधेको जस्तो 2011-12 तिरै होला प्राय जस्तो यहाँ आउनुभएको सबैजनाले फेसबुक खोल्नु भएको हो, फेसबुक or Instagram. Let me see hands. यदि तपाईहरुले 2011-12 or maybe Facebook त अलिकति 9-10 तिरै पनि होला हामीले अकाउन्ट खोलेको. But त्यतिखेर like said, मैले पनि कहिले पनि सोचेको थिएन कि eventually these platforms are going to look like what they look today. त्यतिखेर त I still remember Instagram start हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ it was supposed to be this aesthetic photo journal गर्नेवाला पोस्ट. त्यतिखेर किनभने रिलहरू लाइभहरू के पनि थिएन नि त. सो इन्स्टाग्राममा चाहिँ एकदम प्रिटी फोटो खिच्ने, आफ्नो चियाको फोटो खिच्ने, फ्लावर्सको फोटो खिच्ने, अनि एकदमै प्रिटी एस्थेटिक्स बनाउने, स्क्रैप बुक खालीको बनाउने खालीको थियो नि त. सो गर्दै गएँ बिकज आई हेभ अलवेज बिन भेरी क्युरियस अबाउट द डिफ्रेन्ट काइन्ड्स अफ प्लेटफर्म.
कन्टेन्ट बनाउने दौरानमा हाउ डु यु डिसाइड कति कुरा चाहिँ प्राइभेट राख्ने, कति कुरा चाहिँ कन्टेन्टमा सेयर गर्ने भनेर?
That's a very good question होइन. यस्तो हो, म एउटा यस्तो ठाउँमा छु जस्तो लाग्छ नेपालमा होइन, द्याट चाहेर पनि a lot of the things मैले प्राइभेट राख्न सक्दिनँ कि. जस्तो द बिगेस्ट ब्याटल when आयंका was almost born होइन, I'm sharing this with you guys. आयुष्मा मैले आयंका जन्मिनुभन्दा 2-3 दिन अगाडि बसेर चाहिँ हामीले डिस्कस गरेको थियौँ कि अब आयंकाको फेस हामी रिभिल गर्ने कि नगर्ने. हाउ डु वी वान्ट टु गो अबाउट दिस? Like should we show her picture as soon as she's born, or should we take a few months? Because everybody does it differently. I respect all kinds of people जसले completely privacy राख्नुहुन्छ र जसले चाहिँ होइन I want to celebrate with the world. Like you do what works best for you भन्ने खालीको मान्छे हो म होइन. So त्यतिखेर हामी त्यही भएर बेलामा we were like okay, we'll think about it. अहिले let me just go through labor, let me give birth, and then we'll think about it भन्दा चाहिँ. So के भएको थियो भने you know फेसबुकहरुतिर there's a lot of these groups हुन्छ नि, like WRR भने जस्तै. It's the one of these groups-मा चाहिँ before we had posted Ayanka's photo. Ayanka's photo was leaked in one of those groups. Okay? So, बच्चा पाइसकेपछि you know how cleanहरु गर्न or एकछिनलाई लाग्छ नि त. So त्यतिखेर चाहिँ उसको photo I think प्रियङ्काले बच्चा पाए भन्ने वेमा, not in a harmful way, कसैले कसैलाई पठाएको थियो होला like, and त्यो photo circulate भएर one of my friends sent it back to me. And so के हो अहिले त्यसपछि मैले के भने टाइमिङ भने इन्गेजमेन्ट भने कन्टेन्ट तपाईँको ऑथेन्टिसिटी ओरिजिनालिटी हुनु पर्यो, ट्रेन्डिङ. एन्ड देन वान इज ह्यासट्याग. A lot of people
guys, everyone's in this show. So we have the software right there. You remember the name, so I thought that like loop goes and so that's what we copy. So this is the loop station shipping with physical loop goes and so whatever I'll show you right. कन्सर्टमा गाउँदा
So I'm on the way towards the content creator. Hello, namaste सबैजनालाई. म सेन्डी ट्राभल ब्लग्समा तपाईँलाई स्वागत गर्दै आज म आएको छु